Hi loves, I'm back. I've already cut my trimmings. Okay, cut the belt out of the fabric. The next step now, we are going to turn this belt inside out. Okay, we take a safety pin and just grab one side of this belt. Just grab one side of it, this corner. Okay, this pin is going to be our guide to reversing this belt. Seamstress are calling this tubing. This is called tubing. Alright, whereas you take this pin, now you got it connected. Take this pin, go inside, and continue running that pin through this belt. And as you go, you continue pulling it down like this. Because the more you pull it down, the more closer you're coming to the end of this project. Alright, as tubing. Okay. Now my belt is pretty long, so thank you for your patience. See, the more you go in, always feel for this pin. The pin is your guide. The pin is my guide. Okay. Continue going all the way. Okay. Now I've already finished another belt like this one. So you take this all the way. Take this pin all the way to the end of the other belt. Okay. Now that's the step. The next step, when you get to the end, you'll see the formation of your belt. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a finished project of the same belt. Hold on. This is one belt that I've completed. This is how it looks. This is how the actual size that I want my belt to look. And when I got to the end, you close it off, you stitch across it. You stitch across it to close it off. Make sure that your end is folded in too, because you want that look. Okay. You want that look. That look there. So fold it in inside of your belt and stitch it. Okay. Now the next step is, after you close your edges, you grab the seams of your belt and you widen it. This is how wide I want my belt to be. Okay. And you press it. Go to your ironing board and you just press it. But always grab the seam so you can press your belt. Alright? Always grab your seam so you can keep it widened to your desire. Okay? And press and go. And you're done. Thank you all for your patience. I appreciate it. And I got more items coming for you. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So, that's it. Look for me to make something else for you shortly. Stay tuned. Peace.